Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the exciting world of learning German as a beginner. If you are ready to embark on this linguistic journey, let's get started. Learning a new language independently can be a rewarding adventure. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to master German using the incredible capabilities of ChatGPT. First things first, open your browser and head to chat.openai.com. That's where you will find the ChatGPT platform. And if you are new here, no worries, there's a video link below to guide you through the account setup. Begin with the basics. Introduce yourself, learn common greetings, and master simple phrases. For example, ask ChatGPT how to say hello, thank you, or goodbye. Practice until you feel confident. Now, use ChatGPT as your language companion. Engage in conversations. Type in everyday scenarios or questions you'd use in real-life situations. Don't skip vocabulary building. Whenever you come across a new word, ask ChatGPT for its translation and examples of how to use its sentences. This method helps you expand your vocabulary while understanding the practical context of words. Grammar is important too. If you are puzzled by certain grammar rules or sentence structures, ChatGPT can provide explanations and examples. German grammar might differ from what you are accustomed to, so having ChatGPT as your guide is incredibly helpful. Lastly, consistency is your ally. Dedicate a bit of time each day to interact with ChatGPT and practice your German skills. So there you have it, a fantastic way to begin your journey of learning German with ChatGPT. It's like having a language mentor on demand. Thanks for tuning in and I will see you on the next video. Bis bald!